Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be making a green apple Crown Royal slush. So I'm going to be using the green apple Gatorade, Simply Lemonade, and of course our apple Crown Royal. I'm going to pour in my Gatorade. Then pour in some of the lemonade. Pour a little bit more Gatorade. And then our Crown Royal. And then of course I have some green apple Jolly Ranchers. So I added in a little bit more ice. We're going to blend it up. Alright, one more time. And if you want this a little bit more green, you can add food coloring if you want to. So I'm going to try and do this again without spilling it. So we have our cup. We'll pour in our drink. Clean that up. And today the only thing I'm really going to garnish with is going to be some apple slices. So I have my apple and I just cut it sideways. And then I have my straw. And there you have it. And that's our green apple Crown Royal slush. So thank you guys again for watching my video. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you are wanting to see something specific, and of course I will make it. Thank you.